friends, I'm Pavitra here. Welcome all to the show. Today's Store Watch program in the Orange Bicycle, 12th Main, 5th Cross, Indiranagar. I'm eagerly waiting what are the products are ready for us and for you to watch. So let's just explore the things. Please come. Friends, let's meet Poojitha, the store manager, Orange Bicycle. So, hi Poojitha.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So, Poojitha, I just came around all the stuffs in your store actually. So, why is it Orange Bicycle? It's really very different, you know, when you just come across all these names and all.
Right.
It's really a very new thing to be heard. What is it about?
Yeah, we wanted something unique, something different, which unheard of, and something would build curiosity among customers. And which didn't reveal much of the store. So that was how the whole, the name came about, the Orange Bicycle. We started 4 years back.
Okay. So the Orange Bicycle is from past 4 years?
Yes.
And how about, whose idea was this to start and why was it actually?
This was, first started, 4 friends got together. They're from different backgrounds. 2 from advertising, 1 from NIFT, and 1 from chartered accountant.
Okay.
And they came together with this unique concept. They wanted to give a platform for creativity. That's how the whole idea of this, the store came up.
Okay. The Orange Bicycle started by that way. I
Yes.
think so. Okay, Poojitha, what is the store about, the Orange Bicycle is about, and what are the things, you know, like lots of stuff's been seen here, and which is a major part in your store actually?
The biggest USP of the store is that we have almost 100 to 150 vendors in the store.
Oh, yes.
We have different genre of products. We starting from stationery, paintings, art, clothing, pretty much everything that, you know, it's creative and something different.
Exactly. See, we could really see lots of t-shirts and stuffs,
Right.
again chappals and all these homemade items. And one more thing, like, you know, it's really eye-catching. And this is a small stone pebble item.
Yes, it's a pebble, and
It's been painted?
yes, it's been painted,
Okay.
and it's very difficult to actually get that kind of finish on a stone, and it's a paperweight.
Poojitha, by the way, who painted this? It's really nice.
This person, her vendor name is Yellow Dots.
Okay.
She does them from home, and she contacted us a couple of months back, and her stuff sells good.
Okay. There's also once again by her itself a
Yes.
nice butterfly. You know? The paintings are so natural.
Natural and so realistic,
Yeah,
yes.
really, you feel as though a real butterfly is
Exactly.
sitting on the stone. Really, it's really nice, Poojitha. Yes. One more thing really interesting here is, what is this?
These are handmade soaps, which have different fun prints on them.
Really, it's really nice. Yeah, it's very colorful again.
Yes.
And you could see whatever it is, a cherry or a strawberry.
Right,
or
that's a strawberry, that's a
watermelon.
watermelon, and we have a lime.
These are really interesting actually. Some which is very colorful and it looks really original, you
Yes.
know, like very nice. And these are ones are scented ones or?
Yeah, they are scented.
Okay. And
They come all the way from Delhi.
Mhm.
This vendor's name is Nourish.
Okay. Fine, that's really good. And I could see a bit of what? Greeting cards here. Yes.
Those are the season greeting cards done by quilling of paper.
Oh, it's all
They've
paper
done
quillings.
paper quillings have come for especially for Christmas
So Christmas
and New Year's.
Exactly, you know, nice colorful cards.
Yeah,
which has
envelopes, cards, and gift tags.
been very nice. And how about these sellings? Is it really going?
Yes, they sell really fast.
Okay.
The price is also very reasonable, so they move really fast.
Okay. And how about your product stuffs, Poojitha? Like, is it like every month you keep
Yes,
rotating
every 3
them?
months to 6 months we try to rotate our stock. We try to get in new stock. So basically when the customer walks in, they find different products every time they walk in.
Okay, so viewers and friends, one more thing, like I have a huge lighting here, and it's really something different to be. I could see this, a cycle wheel.
It's a rim.
Okay,
Cycle
it's a rim, yeah,
yes.
exactly. So, how about this, and who got this idea to really
This
do it?
was the credit must be given to our designer, to the store designer who first initially helped us doing up the store. She came up with this idea, and now we actually sell them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, people actually like it so much that they want to purchase one. So we have made another one as well.
Okay, I was really about to ask you, is this only for your store or really
Yes,
for the sale or something?
Yeah, we can give it out for sale.
Really nice, very nice. Okay, Pujita, really nice, interesting stuffs in your show. The shop. And one more thing, really, I want to show you people, which is really eye-catching from that time. It's a beautiful, small, cute trunk, which has been hand painted, I believe. No?
Yes.
And where did you purchase this from?
It's actually by a designer, given to us by a designer, personally hand painted, and these old trunks that you used to get.
Exactly, all our grandfathers and all, they used to use this.
Yes.
And one more thing here again, nice winter coats, jackets.
Yes,
here.
these are our winter collection. These are jackets, and everything is embroidered, and again hand embroidered.
Okay.
It's nice for parties, Christmas time,
Exactly.
or the New Year's.
And some waistcoats also here.
Yes, those are the quirky waistcoats.
It's really nice. And is these like a custom made or like made to order? You people take made to order, like
Yes, we do. If
Okay.
any customer wants a particular size or a particular way, we can customize it for them as well.
color and the prints.
Yes,
and all.
it's
Okay.
possible.
And one more thing here, a beautiful cycle. Orange
a-
bicycle. So there's a cycle, and really, like the shop's name is Orange Bicycle, and I can really see lots of bicycles here.
Yeah.
Yeah, orange bicycle rim or anything.
We have a very
anything for
own
that matter.
orange bicycle, which is right displayed.
Yeah, exactly. And what are these made of?
These are wire. Again, handmade.
All are handmade.
Everything
again.
is handmade, yeah.
Okay, I hope you have lots of customers, and I mean to say, lot of designers who make this.
Make these, yes.
Okay, really nice. It's very attractive, it's a beautiful showpiece, which is very unique, to be frank.
And colorful as well.
Exactly. And what is this about? I can see those granny used to
yeah,
put
those are
pickles
cookie
and all those
jars.
things,
Yeah, exactly. That's painted, hand painted, and it's made to look more colorful, not the same old glass.
Exactly.
It's all
It's all a glass.
glass.
hand
All these are
painted.
recycled.
Really very nice, Things to be recycled, Pujita, exactly. Those looks old stuffs and all give you more
Right.
interesting
We have
look
few
actually.
bottles as well. Those are painted.
Very nice, very nice. And the yellow one is really pretty good here.
Yes.
It's very beautiful paintings you have, and nice flowery collections on
Yes.
these things. Very pretty. So Pujita, and how about your customers, Pujita, here? What type of customers you get in this particular place?
We have a mix of customers, a lot of expats actually, and they're always looking for something new for gifting their friends, their family back home. So they are looking for these knickknacks that they can take back as souvenirs. And we have a lot of customers from IT industry as well who are looking for bulk orders, I mean for bulk gifting.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a mix actually. There's no particular age group or anything. Everyone enjoy the ambience and the store has to offer to them. Yes.
Any particular item which has been sold? Lots.
Yes, we have lots. I don't know where to start from. There are lots of products which are hot sellers. As simple as the bird cages sell out really fast.
Okay.
We have these lotus tea lights that
Okay.
go out really fast, and those rockstar birds. Those
Oh,
are our
fine.
hot favorites as well.
What are these which has been displayed
These
here?
are all coasters.
This is also pretty good, you know.
Yes,
like,
that's a very innovative and creative.
really very nice.
product.
You know, like all the items here are very unique and very eye-catchy, you know.
Right.
Like all these wallets.
These are wallets.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, very pretty. And one thing I can make out, you know, as soon as I enter the shop, and after all going around, I could make out some South Indian or pretty to be said like Indian stuffs.
Yes, we have a lot of that. So we cater to South Indians, North Indians. We have a lot of Bollywood items that are like for wallets. We have bags, cushion covers with old movies, Bollywood
Exactly, yeah.
movies. Then we have Rajinikanth
Yeah,
clocks
exactly.
and
We could see the
aprons.
clock, you know, that's
Yes.
really pretty good.
Yes, and have funny sayings on them. Very quirky, very different.
Okay, friends, one cute thing I want to show you people, really, you know, this is an apron which is being painted. This is Nama Uru Sapat. Very nice, no? Apron is really related to the food which is being cooked, and Sapat is a very pretty name with a Rajnikant poster or picture to be painted. Very pretty ones. Yeah, I hope these are also very hot sellings.
Yeah, they are. They sell out really fast.
These are
And we have a
really
lot
pretty
of them.
actually.
Lot of different ones as well.
Okay, and we could really see the nice paintings over here and on the cushions itself and all, and nice clutches also. I
Yes.
think, no? These are all made up of cloth,
Fabric.
fabric
Yes.
ones. Okay, okay, pretty ones. Lot more to explore. Please follow me.